Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Bake low and slow. I tested 3 different temperatures: 250 degrees Fahrenheit, 300 degrees Fahrenheit and 350 degrees Fahrenheit. 250 degrees Fahrenheit was by far the best temperature. The kale chips ended up nice and crispy, whereas at higher temperatures, the edges of the leaves would char, giving them a bitter taste.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Without any seasonings, kale chips taste very much like raw or cooked kale, bitter. They also pick up a toasty flavor from the baking process, which can actually balance the bitterness a bit. Kale chips are a little less vegetal than raw kale, but the flavor is still strong.
Let's help you make your mark.
Lacinato kale. The best type of kale to use for these homemade chips is flat-leafed lacinato kale, also known as Tuscan or dinosaur kale. The surface is much more uniform and smooth in shape, making them ideal for chips. Curly kale can also be used, but they may need more drying time.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.